got this banana snack kick. I have no clue what this is, but I've seen this somewhere before, but I don't know where. But it's banana flavored, and I love anything that's banana flavored. It's with me. So I really want to try to see what it tastes like. If it's good, I'm gonna go back and get some more. I'm scared. Okay. Oh, that smells like banana. It's like little puffs. Oh, it smells like banana, like that. I know it's supposed to, but I'm not expecting the smell to be this strong. That is so interesting.